Hey guys, what Eleaf brought to you this time? Wow, the iStick Pico 25 with ELLO tank. Looks familiar? Yeah, it's an upgraded version of the popular iStick Pico. The typical Pico's battery cap and bottom adjustment buttons design. Powered by a single 18650 battery as well. So, why we call it 25? You must have guessed it right? Yes, its diameter is 25 millimeters. That is, it can handle various tanks up to this diameter. Not only that, the iStick Pico 25 also packs a bigger 0.91-inch screen and a maximum output power of 85 watts in such a compact unit. Oh, did you find anything else different? Yeah, the interface. A clear and concise interface that tells the wattage, resistance, voltage, and current. Wanna know your total vaping puffs or seconds? Not a problem. Simply keep holding the fire button and plus button till the current interface flashes, and then press plus or minus button to switch among current interface, puff interface, and second interface. Just choose an interface you are most accustomed to. Then what about the ELLO tank? Alright, let's take it down and try it out. Screw off the top cap and you will see Eleaf newly introduced HW coil. Prime it by dripping a few drops of e-liquid directly into the coil inside. Then screw the top cap with glass tube back. How is the tank filled? Simply slide the drip tip back in the direction of the arrow to reveal the fill pot and fill e-liquid in. That's really fast and easy. And the tank can hold 2 milliliters e-liquid. Not enough? Then how about extending it to 3.8 milliliters? Simply replace the pre-installed glass tube with another taller one and an extra air pipe that are provided in the package. Its vapor and flavor will also impress you. The dual large air inlets allow a huge vapor production with an enhanced flavor. Also, the airflow is adjustable for you to get the sensation you like most. Can't wait to see the clouds? Okay, just a few seconds. Pull it back to the iStick Pico 25, adjust the settings, and take a vape. If you want huge vapor clouds, simply replace the original drip tip with the other bigger one that is provided to allow huge airflow. Now, enjoying the vaping time.